Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back. Hi, and this is the OTOP 47, alright, which is for the week 28 June year 2021. And how many weeks are there in a year? The answer is 52. So if you are watching this OTOP 47, that means you realize that we are quickly coming to the first year anniversary. And if you look back over the last 46 episodes on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, and all those counters, stocks, FX, or anything that we had recommended, well, more than half of them, I believe, have actually yield good profits for those people who have been following us. So in this OTOP 47, alright, which is for the week 28 June year 2021, what are we going to share with you? And stay tuned, the answer is right here, just about to show you. And before we move on today to our OTOP episode, then again we want to make a quick revision, alright, on last week, what we introduced about and what is this stock doing. Alright, first of all, let's take a look on the Friday. Okay, Friday, if you read this news, US President Biden actually announced the successful new stimulus, which is 1.2 trillion US dollars, alright, which half of it, 600 billion US dollars, will be used for infrastructure building. Alright, so when will this new stimulus, after approval, when will it roll out? And most likely we think it's going to be in about 1 or 2 months time, perhaps sometime in August. But right after the news of this new stimulus is being pushed out to the market, and what you can see here, the US dollar index, alright, straight away, okay, start to trade on the low side, and perhaps this EMA 200, alright, the exponential moving average of 200 averaging days, has been acting very strongly as a resistance, and the dollar has begun to want. So if dollar is running down this week, well, we suggest you pay attention to gold prices, okay, or gold mining stocks, and go back and watch those OTOP that we have actually talked about in the past months, and you will find a few good gold mining stocks in Hong Kong or in the US, or spot gold prices or ETF that could be very beneficial to you this week. But then again, this week we are not going to talk about gold, although we foresee that the US dollar will start to go consolidating or even on the weakening side. Okay, now let's do a small revision on last Friday. Okay, Dow Jones gained 237 points. Okay, and S&P once again closed at a historical high at 4,280. Alright, so the fund rotation is probably going to move from Nasdaq to S&P for this week. So this week, what are we going to introduce to you, alright, for a better opportunity to make some profits from the market? Alright, take a look at this. We want you to pay attention this week to these Hong Kong stocks. Okay, and the reason why we are releasing OTOP on every Monday at 9 a.m. is because if you happen to catch the Asian market like Singapore, Malaysia, or Hong Kong, 9 a.m. Singapore time is the perfect timing for you to catch our news before you go into the market. Alright, this is the stock we want to show you guys exactly here right on the screen, and the stock code is 9990. Alright, take a look. The stock name is called Akosol Games. Okay, this is a gaming company that produces the software and has got very huge market in Asia. All right. Before we look into the financial data, I want to show you guys quickly on the technical part. Okay, and the market just issued dividend. All right. If you look at the technical prices here, all right, this company actually got listed sometime July last year, 2020, at a price of $14 Hong Kong dollars, went up to about 28, and now it's at 50% 50 correction. Okay, and of course, if you have been following our way of spotting good market counters every week, okay, this is exactly what you're seeing here. An EMA 4 and 20 crossing out with a double bottom. All right, it has been doing a bottom picking very well. Okay, in the range of about $13.50 to $13.80 to $14 Hong Kong. Okay, and of course, if you look at this momentum again, all right, it is coming to very neutral benchmark and going to cut above zero. Okay, switching to a 4-hour time scale chart. All right, whether if you like it or not, I would only say, okay, this stock has got very limited downside if you think that the prices were to stay at the bottom, but anytime when it starts to cross up or climb higher, okay, Akosol's game has got a lot of potential going back to the day chart. All right, so you make a decision and see if this stock suits you. But before we sign off, all right, I want to spend quickly on the next just perhaps 3 minutes and show you what are the financial data of Akosol. Okay, Akosol, the market cap has got 11.4 billion US dollars. All right, if you translate to US dollars, 11.4 billion Hong Kong dollars. If you translate to US dollars, you just simply divide by about 7. Okay, and that is going to be about 1.5, 1.6 billion US dollars. All right, it's a new company, pretty good. Okay, when we scroll down, okay, it's far below the fair value, of course, you can see here. All right, well, this company is new and has not really made a lot of profit, and currently, all right, it is still negative, all right, on the net profit, although there's a revenue of 1.2 billion Hong Kong dollars based on December year 2020, but a lot of contract has been secured and moving into end of year 2021 to 22. We are definitely going to see positive revenue versus positive net profit. So this company has got very good growth. All right, so in terms of growth, we look at this company, all right, compared to the industry and the market, it has got much higher potential. All right, as we move down, okay, I want to let you see something which is quite interesting. All right, currently, as I mentioned, it is negative, but we are looking at a positive turn up once we cross into year 2022. So basically 9990 Akosol, all right, it won't take you too long, all right, but now the market prices is are very pretty at the bottom. So if you long on this stock, definitely you can keep 3 to 6 months or even beyond that, because the downside is limited and the upside has got a lot of potential. Okay, look at this. This company has got zero debt so far, okay, debt free, all right, and now having an equity of 3.5 billion Hong Kong dollars. All right, so basically it's a pretty clean company, all right, with nothing much to complain. All right, last but not least, I want to show you who has been buying the stocks lately. All right, and you will believe me, April 30th, April 29th, see, look at this. Tencent Holdings has been paying the value of 113 million Hong Kong dollars plus 341 million Hong Kong dollars. That comes up to about 500 million Hong Kong dollars, 400 plus, all right, to acquire the stocks, okay, at a price of 13.96. Oh yes, and it is just not far away from what we are saying now. Okay, so with Tencent investing into this gaming company, do you think this is a joke, or we are just throwing things from the air and give to you. It's not. Okay, take a look at this. And at the bottom here, do you see GIC? Well, this is a subsidiary of Singapore Sovereign Fund, and this fund actually bought it right at the listing at a higher price of 25 Hong Kong dollars. All right, and definitely I think if you look at who are the cornerstone investors of this company, 9990, definitely I think we are at a better price now, at a better bottom, and well, it's time to pick up some 9990 Agosos games incorporated in Hong Kong, okay, at a price of about 14 Hong Kong dollars this coming Monday. OTOP.